Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to purchase the NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV for 2025. Let's get right into it. First, open up YouTube TV in the device of your choice. This could be your phone, tablet, smart TV or computer. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small shopping bag icon. Click on that. Once you're in, this will bring you to the membership page where you can explore different networks and add-ons available to your plan. To get the NFL Sunday ticket, you will need to have the YouTube TV base plan first. If you don't already have it, don't worry, it can be added during the process. Now scroll down and find the NFL Sunday ticket option. Click on it. At this point, YouTube TV will automatically bundle the NFL Sunday ticket with the base plan if you don't already have one. Next, click Next to proceed. Now choose your payment preference. You can go with monthly or annual plan depending on what suits you the best. Once selected, click Next again to move the checkout screen. Here enter your payment information, credit card or any other accept method and confirm your subscription. And that's it. You have now successfully purchased the NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV. Enjoy every game every Sunday right from the screen. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next one as always.